gagawin sa Sarok Festival.
Malipayang hapon, minahal nga Sugbo. Ako, si Kionas Robans, 21 anyos ang panuigon, nagrepresentar sa Sarok Festival sa Konsolasyon. Ang Sarok ay dili lamang panilupod sa uwan ug init o kaabag sa panginabuhi. Kini nagrepresentar usab sa pagkamaligon o pagkamakugihan sa tanan konsolasyonanon. Dali na, o magpasilong na kitang tanan sa atong makukihon o mapaligon na sarok. This gorgeous and magnificent pre-colonial gown is a true testament of Consolation's rich heritage. As you can see, we have the woven weaves of the Sarok Festival, which showcases the resilience of the Consolation people. On my Maria Clara, you may see the tassels, which are inspired by the pre-colonial Spanish era. All elements of my gown showcases a story to be told, such as the panels seen on my dress, which are carved by the stories of our ancestors, with each groove and each curve showcasing the trials, the triumphs, and the timeless tributes of our ancestors. These statues stand solemnly while they embrace just even a small portion of the spirit of Consolationanans, the artistry, the faith, and most importantly, the unyielding spirit of our people. This gown is a timeless tribute of the Maria Clara, an endless emblem of the beauty and grace of a Filipino. As I'm standing here in front of you today, woven in history, it not only commemorates the past, but the future as well. As I stand here in front of you, timeless beauty woven with history. On and on, Consolacion!